So after running the analysis, so we have to design our structure. Okay, so for designing our structure, click on design and click on concrete frame design. So first you have to check view revise preferences, so if you want to do any changes, and so select design combinations. So we have all the design combinations selected over here. Just click on OK. So go to design again, concrete frame design, and click on start design check. Okay, so let me show you on this elevation. Click on elevation and let's just go to the A elevation, and over here, right? So we'll again go to design and click on concrete frame design, and if you click on display design info, so longitudinal reinforcing, click on OK. Now you can see the reverse on this window as well. Okay, so it means that so these value over here represent the area of reinforcement that is required at this position. For example, this is the beam, right? So the top reinforcement required is 555 mm square, bottom is 278. So here at the mid it's 139, bottom is 308 mm square. So now what you have to do is you have to convert this value into the number of revers. All right, after